Hello, Sasikal. Today, after a long time, I am online, and today I'm going to teach Fiona how to bake a cake. So, Fiona, do you know what ingredients we need?
Hi, that's Miguel, and yes, I know what for ingredients we need.
So, tell me then.
100 gram butter,
Butter,
200 gram sugar,
yeah, sugar,
2 packages vanilla sugar,
vanilla sugar, yeah, and 3 eggs,
3 eggs, 1 package 16 gram
600 gram,
no,
16 gram,
16 gram baking powder,
yeah, and half
a
liter
half
milk,
liter of milk,
2 apples,
2 apples, and
and the tray,
the butter on the tray.
baking tray, yeah. Cool, so let's start then.
No, I didn't.
So, Fiona, are you ready?
No.
Then let's get ready. So first we need a bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 100 gram of butter. 100. Yeah, German.
Large.
English 100 gram of butter. Now first you on the
I preheat the oven for you guys.
38. $56. Yes, I hope it's 100 gram.
What cake you guys making?
95. It's going to be surprise cake.
Oh, a surprise.
Fiona, this is maybe 105, but it's okay. We love butter, right?
Yes.
Okay, then second, we need,
200 gram sugar, definitely.
yeah, slowly. Then you have 57, then we need 57, 94,
No.
okay, 204, okay, cool. So 200 gram,
Vanilla sugar.
2 packets of vanilla sugar, yeah, yeah, vanilla sugar, then 3 eggs,
Fiona, do you want to have a salted roti?
Yes. 2. 2 and 1 small.
okay, this is our dessert, no? Fiona,
Huh?
this is our dessert, cake with the coffee.
Yes.
What's coming next?
600 gram flour.
Okay, then 600 gram of flour. Mm-hmm. Cool. Okay, let me help you. Let me help you. So 400, 420.
Package baking powder.
Then we need milk, 550.
No. Yes.
550 milliliters of milk.
Yes.
Okay.
You write it.
I forgot.
So Fiona, here is a 400. Which way? This way. 500 on midday.
Yes.
This way. Mm-hmm. Slowly. Yeah, keep going. Then we need to chop 2 apples. Apple with the skin or without skin?
With the skin first, they are from tree in the garden.
Yeah, the homegrown apples.
Yeah, I have one. So you can
We're going to use the homegrown apples.
Yeah, it's apple season.
Yeah. So I need a chopping board, Fiona. Knife, please.
You have a really cool assistant today. Today I'm going to make aloo gobi, or aloo gobi that is from yesterday left.
Yeah. It's done. Now we have to mix everything.
Yes.
Then bowl.
Did you add a little bit lemon juice on the apples?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so start machine.
She's a little pro.
Yeah.
She was watching me so often.
Langsam, yeah. Slowly.
Die Anführung hoch. Und?
Wie long?
This one, yeah. Yes.
When you cut, should I show you?
Yes.
When you cut the corners, hold on. When you cut here a little bit the corners, then it's easier to. Can you watch my roti quick? Then it's easier to place the baking paper. So, and here. Now, now it's easier.
Yes. Now we can put in there.
Yes.
Okay.
But let me put the scissor back.
Gut. Möchtest du diese Sachen?
No, it's
No, no,
those.
it's
No,
okay.
this
That's so thin. That's so thin.
Next,
With 115 gram butter.
150
Melt.
grams of butter. Okay.
I think this is not enough.
Okay. 150 grams. Yeah.
Now
Okay.
melt in the micro.
No. Now
Yes,
we
you
need
can add it in the micro.
But not that long.
for 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
50 seconds.
Jaggery.
Jaggery!
Oh,
And we 120
20 gram.
So we didn't had a brown sugar, and we melted some jaggery and butter, and now we are mixing to get a caramel taste. You know?
Yeah.
So now like caramel taste. We're going to be finished. Now we need 1 tablespoon of flour.
Right.
This is
In
a big
there.
spoon, yeah. It's done, it's fine. Then we have cinnamon. Tablespoon. Tablespoon is here.
2.
No, this is the one. And we need
2 we need.
this.
With everything. Now we need to mix with everything. It's looking nice.
Hier finde ich das.
Können wir hier bei Schäler machen, oder? Du musst es noch ein bisschen von der Seite wickeln. Ha, schön, oder? Ja, sehr. Sehr, sehr.
You know?
Ja.
Then we need stick to mix it. Then we need a stick to mix it.
Just a little bit, you know.
Ja, ich wollte noch mal ein Eichhörnchen ausprobieren. Wie schön schaut das aus?
Just a little bit.
So. It's looking so nice.
Yeah.
It has to have a marmor structure.
Yeah.
Now you
Now
do
we
this.
have apples on a half side because in the family not everyone is apple fan.
No, ja, nicht so.
So now it's going to go in the oven. Oven is preheated already.
Fiona,
So Fiona,
es
can
ist
you
egal,
please
ich habe die
help me,
Backen
Fiona?
wieder zu haben.
Fiona, can you please help me? Fiona, for
14 minutes.
Cool, then we can eat meanwhile.
14
Yay!
minutes. Cool.
Jamie!
The rest we will finish
Der ist
when
mal
it's
hier,
done.
sagst du beim Hochmaschinen.
Is it?
Oh,
Oh, that
Fingers
smells so nice.
I hope
you want to check first?
yes.
Yeah.
The smell is already very good.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Oh, see.
That looks really nice.
Yes. Now we need to make powder sugar.
We're going to do it sugar coating. With
Okay,
water.
a little bit, not that much.
No, this is enough.
What?
Or like this.
Yes, Chanel. The cake is finished and now we're going to try. Are you feeling excited to try cake?
Yes.
Okay.
It looks so good.
So,
Oh,
this is how it looks.
wait. You want to try first?
Okay, I'll try first. Mmm, sweet. Let Mama try everyone.
You don't need problem. Good.
Cool, good work.
Really nice.
What do you mean?
What?
Good?
Ohne Apfel schmeckt nicht gut.
Okay. Cool.
Very good.
Very good.